Welcome back to Andy's Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to change card color here in Trello. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Trello, I need you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Changing card colors in Trello, while not directly supported as a built-in feature for the whole card, can be achieved through labels, card covers, and other customization methods. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm gonna create a new card, just like this one. Maybe I'm going to rename it as how to change add card Trello. After that, you have an option here to click on edit labels, and from here obviously you can choose the color. You can choose this. No, we're going to instead here so we can see the changes, because it's a little bit click that, press enter, and here click that, and then there's going to be an option at here on labels as maybe green, if you don't want, maybe yellow. So it's all up to you. I'm going to just be using the yellow for now and create new label. You also have an option to enable colorblind friendly mode, but that's for another video. Select a color and create. All right, once you do that, you would be able to see the changes that has been applied here on Trello. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.